Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send bulk emails using Brevo. So, this is really useful for reaching a large audience quickly and efficiently. So, once you've logged into your Brevo account, what you will have to do is you will click Create Campaign from your dashboard, and you will just have to select bulk email or email. So yeah. Anyway, what you will have to do is just click that, and then now that you're here, you will name your campaign whatever you want, and then after that, click create campaign, and now that you're here, you should see the option which is bulk email. So basically, you will just have to select that if you do have that option, if your version or your website supports that. So yeah, anyway, you will select your recipients by clicking add recipients. So just go ahead and click that. And now that you're here, you will basically just have to choose contact lists or segments, and then you will ensure that all emails are valid. And then once you're satisfied with that, you will just have to click this button right here, which is save. And then you could also compose email by using the drag and drop editor if you do have that. So basically, what you will have to do is uh, you will add your text, your images, your buttons, and of course, preview email on desktop or mobile. And once you're and if you want to configure sending options, you can choose either schedule or send now if you do have that option somewhere right here. So yeah, anyway, it may the terminology may vary depending on your version, so you could just explore the website so that you will be able to actually not miss anything out. So yeah, anyway, you can set up tracking for opens, click, and bounces by clicking either choose send now or schedule. And yeah, that's basically just it. And if you click send, you will just have to monitor your performance in analytics. And under analytics, you will see reports. So the analytics options or features should be somewhere right here, but it really depends on the layout again and the version that you have. So you do have to make sure to actually explore the whole website so that you won't be missing out anything. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.